our air filter is very dirty. So for the moment, we're going to clean this one, but we have to replace this. Good morning guys. So we have here a Kawasaki Z400. So I bought this bike for second hand. Actually, I swapped it with my previous bike, which is the FKM 3GP. And then since I got this one, I did not have a chance to, I haven't checked the air filter condition yet. So what we are going to do now is to remove this gas tank and to so that we can access the air filter box inside, so that we can check the condition of the air filter. So because recently I thought there is less power when you have full throttle. So when driving in the highway, it feels like there is some less in power. I know this is more powerful than our previous bike, which is the RC390 here. It's already covered. So to check the condition of air filter and to improve the performance of our Kawasaki Z400. So previously we checked already our batteries and the charging system. It is working properly. And for the meantime, and for today, we're going to check the air filter. Because we're having short amount of time, we're going to check our bike one at a time. So for today's video, we're going to check the air filter of this bike. So later on, we're going to check the other system, like cooling system. And actually, we ordered a oil seal because at the moment we have problem in issue in our fork. The oil is leaking here, and I already ordered oil filter, and so that we can change oil later on. So first we're going to do is to remove this panel here, and also this other side, then after the gas tank. So we just remove 3 Allen bolts and 3 push pins. So after removing all those bolts and push pins, so it just pop right away.
Naluto na diyan.
Right. So right. So just a little bit get dirty. So we're going to clean this all the way. So right here guys, to remove the push pins, so we have just tried to push this in the middle like that. Alright, then you can pull it right away to remove this. Alright, so we have to remove the other side as well. Just pop up. Alright, so it's very dirty guys. So now guys, we are going to access the inner parts of the gas tank. So we have to remove these 2 bolts here, 1 bolt here, and 1 bolt here. So we have also 2 hoses here, and also the fuel line underneath we're going to remove as well, and the power supply of the fuel pump. So we have to disconnect everything. So make sure this will going to as it is when you return it, like just tag blue as blue. So before we remove everything, so make sure we have to remove all the dust and cobwebs. So there's so many dust and cobwebs. So I'm using air compressor. So make sure guys, before you remove the fuel line, you have to put some cloth to avoid spillage of fuel. So as you can see here, just remove this one. To remove this one, just pop this out using a small flat screwdriver, like so, and then pull. Alright, so we have already removed the fuel line hose. So afterwards, you have to cover this with plastic to avoid dirt going inside. So as you can see, so many dirts all over of it. So clean it first before you remove, to avoid any contamination. Alright, so just pull this out. Okay, and the other one, the top, like so. So we already unplugged everything and bolts are already removed. Also the power supply of the fuel pump is already removed. So all we have to do is to raise this a little bit in angle, then pull. Pull it gently, like so. Alright, just put it here. So look guys how dirty it is. So all of this we're going to clean. Yan. And to remove this airbox cover, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. So just unscrew these 8 screws. So the moment of truth. Whoa. Look at the velocity stacks. And we're going to unscrew this one to remove the air filter. So as you can see guys, our air filter is very dirty. So for the moment we're going to clean this one, but we have to replace this. And there's a plastic inside, see. So first thing first, you have to clean everything and return everything as well. There's dirt and grime here. Yeah. I have to clean this everything. Also we have to check, since we already opened this, we have to check our throttle body if it is clean inside. So yun guys, at nalinis na natin yan, yung mga wiring harness. Yun. Tapos ayan, malinis na rin. Ayan, malinis na rin. Ayan. Tapos yung air filter yan, nilinis na rin natin yan guys, gamit yung aeropack. Aeropack na ito, brake cleaner. Yan. For the meantime. Pero tinik ko naman, okay naman siya guys. So goods yung brake cleaner ng aeropack. Aeropack, baka naman. So dapat yun panlinis natin ng chain eh. So nagamit natin dun sa air filter. So not 100% but better than before. Nga pala, nakalimutan ko mag-English nga pala ako, no? So alright guys, so this is the situation now. We already cleaned all electrical parts and airbox. Yan. So at least clean, but not 100%. Afterwards, we will drain the coolant. We will drain later on. We already installed the airbox. Then we have to install this gas tank. The dog is so noisy. Everything. So we have to connect the fuel line. Make sure when you remove the plastic, you have to put some rag or some cloth just to avoid spillage of fuel. Alright, so here, just push it back and just return the clip. But before we return the clip, we have to clean first. Then we return the clip like so. Okay. Then we reconnect the cable, power line. Make sure this is the correct position. Like this. Reconnect the hoses. All right. So make sure the hose is not been stuck up here, otherwise the water drain will plug up. Just make sure that it's free. So this is the water drain and this is the forge line, so to avoid vacuum inside. Okay, so before we connect it, let's try to start the motor. Alright. Start. Okay. The fuel tank is empty. So we have to return everything, guys, the fenders, fairings and everything. So the rain came, so we have to stop our work for a while. Here because it's raining now. Too bad.